In this video, I will show you how to play DC Dark Legion on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So DC Dark Legion is a free-to-play mobile strategy game where you can recruit and upgrade iconic DC superheroes from the Justice League. Now, although this is an Android game, it is absolutely possible to play this on PC using something called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an app player, it's an Android emulator, and what this does, it allows you to play Android games on your PC or Mac for an immersive gaming experience. So to get started with this, what you're going to want to do is click the link in the video description down below. So below this video, there's going to be a link to click, and that's going to take you across to a website like this. Now on this webpage, you can see there's an option to play DC Dark Legion on PC. What you want to do is go ahead, give that a click, and it's going to start downloading the BlueStacks installer on your PC. Once that's downloaded, go ahead, give it a click to open up the installer, and what you then want to do is run through these steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Now once that's installed, you're going to get a window like this which says launch. So what you want to do is click onto the blue launch button, and it's going to go ahead and open up BlueStacks. It's also going to give you an invite to the official BlueStacks Discord server. Now what this should do by default, if you've clicked on the link in the video description, it should automatically take you to the installation page for DC Dark Legion. So from here, of course, all you need to do is click install from Google Play. Once you've done that, it's going to redirect you to the app page, and you can see there's going to be a blue install button. So what you want to do is give that a click, and it's going to start downloading and installing DC Dark Legion on your PC. Whilst this is downloading, you might be wondering why you would want to use BlueStacks to play DC Dark Legion on your PC. Now with BlueStacks, there's a number of great features and benefits of using BlueStacks to play not just DC Dark Legion, but Android games on your PC. To start with, one of the greatest benefits is that you are able to use your keyboard, mouse or gamepad. So for those of you that don't get on with touchscreens, you can of course use keyboards and mouses and gamepads to play your Android games. Now the controls will be preset, but you have got the option to customize them to your personal preferences as well. In addition to this, you do get the chance to play multiple games simultaneously using BlueStacks Multi-Instant Manager. So you can use this to play multiple games at once, and there's also a really cool macro feature which allows you to record and replay actions with a single key press. Also, there is a built-in eco mode, so that allows you to optimize your PC usage when you're running multiple instances of BlueStacks and other applications and programs. And there's also a real-time translation feature, which is great because if there's any games that got released in exclusive countries but you do not know the language, you can use BlueStacks to launch that game, and it's automatically going to translate that to your local language. Now, in addition to this, you do get a better FPS, so playing on PC is going to give you a higher frame rate, which is going to lead to a much smoother and better overall gameplay experience. And of course, you can play Android games in full HD. So this is just a few features and benefits of using BlueStacks. Of course, there are a number of other features and benefits of using BlueStacks, and that is why I would highly recommend using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. As you can see, DC Dark Legion has now finished installing, so what you're going to want to do now is click the blue play button, and it's going to launch DC Dark Legion on BlueStacks. What I'm going to do is just agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions, and then it's going to load through. So initially when you launch DC Dark Legion, it might just take a minute or two to download all the available updates, so you just need to give it a minute to run through and fully update. As you can see, all the updates have now finished and we're into the intro. So far you can see everything is running really smooth and really good. So what I'm going to do is just come up to the top and just skip through this video so we get to the actual game itself. And here we are, as you can see in game. So as mentioned, you can see it's running really smoothly. There's no sort of lag or anything. It's actually running really well. And that is how to go ahead and play DC Dark Legion on PC. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.